Okay, Sarvesh, if you could put on your video, that'd be good. But it's okay if you can't. Okay, so today we're going to be going over inequalities. And essentially what an inequality is that it's a less than or equal to. So inequalities, they can be known as less than or equal to, right? And now there's specific signs for this. So the less than sign would be, oh wait, no, less than or greater than, my bad. Greater than. Okay, so less than sign would be, this. The greater than sign, it would be this. And the equal sign, right, it would be this, right? So in an equation, we can write 2 equals 2, right? And how do we know this? Because 2 equals 2. But what if we have 4 and then a 2? What would we put in the middle? 4 is greater than 2. And the way that we know which sign to put is that the sign always points to a lesser number. So as you can see here, 2 is a lesser number than 4. It's like less than 4. So we would put the sign pointing towards 2, or the less than sign, which is this. But if we were to have 2 and then 4, it would be 2 is less than 4, which would be this, right? So you would read it out as 2 is less than 4. But if it was like this, you'd read it out as 4 is greater than 2. Are you guys following?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some problems really quick for you guys to solve. I'm gonna write down some questions or some numbers. I want you guys to write less than or equal to or greater than. All right. So we're gonna have 5 and 2. Right, this is number 1, 5 and 2. And then number 2 is 3 and 7. And then number 3 is 4 and 2. And number 4 is we'll do 17, 20. All right, so I want you guys to do this on your own time, and when you're done, just let me know. This is like the basis of it pretty much, and then we'll go over some more stuff. Sarvesh, are you there? If there's any issues, you can maybe just type it in chat. Okay. Okay, I don't think. Okay, great. We'll just go over the answers now because I think Sarvesh is having some difficulties. So, what'd you get for number 1, Elva?
3.
3.
Yeah. 5 take away
So,
2 is 3.
so what I think you're thinking here is that this is not a subtraction sign. It's just like a blank sign. So, what sign would we put here? Would it be less than or greater than?
Less.
So 5, it would be greater than.
No, greater than 2.
Yeah, 5 is greater than 2. So where would the arrow be pointing?
5 is greater than 2. Put the greater than symbol. Greater. 5 is greater than 2.
Yeah. So
Greater.
is greater
Greater.
than 2, and the sign.
5 is greater.
So the sign, it's always like pointing in the direction.
You have to
It's like this, right?
Yes.
What symbol?
And
This
the
or
sign
this?
is always the sign is always going to be pointing to the lesser than number. So we know that 2 is less than 5, right? So we're going to use this sign right here.
Greater.
Why? Because it's pointing to this, and 5 is greater than 2. So do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So
Right.
hold on. Okay, so what would this be? Number 2. 3 is what? Then 7.
Write it. Right. Small, right. 5 is greater than 2. You have to say
Alva,
5 is
hello?
greater than 2.
And
What
3
is the next problem?
then
3.
Yeah, so the next problem is 3 is what? Then 7. So 3, what would be the
7.
answer to this? Would it be greater than or less
Saru,
than?
which is greater, which is smaller?
Right.
Which is greater?
3.
3 and 7, which is greater number, bigger number?
Bigger 7.
So you have to put
Yeah.
how to put the sign.
Sign.
Yes.
This way.
So always the open big mouth. What will open?
7.
Yes. The crocodile open big mouth for?
Yeah.
7.
Yes. Put.
So the answer would be 3 is less than 7 or this sign pretty much. And a quick way to check is that the arrow should always be pointing to the less than the lesser number. All right, so number 3, what did you guys get?
4 greater than 2 because 4 is bigger.
Yeah, correct.
4,
That's
which
correct.
is greater?
7.
4 and 2, which is greater?
6.
4 and 2, which
4.
come? So we have what symbol will come? Very good.
Yes, so it would be this symbol. Okay, and then the last one. This one's kind of
Daddy
tricky
is,
because it's bigger
Daddy
numbers.
is calling. Say,
But
I'm
it's the
in
same idea.
math.
Math.
You have to tell.
I'm in car.
I am
Alva,
in
what did you
math.
get for number
I'm in
4?
1
The
month.
last one.
7
I'm in 1 month.
We are not now going. Just what is the next one?
I'm in
So
Howard.
think which number is
Red.
the greater number or the less than number? Which
Howard.
Now
number
you are in
Red
math
is the
class.
greatest?
Listen, you are in?
Math class.
Yes.
Yeah, Alva.
Chris, Rango.
I think 20
Just
is
listen.
bigger.
Yes, 20. It's going to be 20. So which sign would we use? Would we use
Less,
would we use this sign or the other one? Would
less,
you use this sign or the other one?
less.
Yeah, that's correct. So 17 is less than 20. And the sign is pointing to the lesser number. Okay, so that is correct. But sometimes we'll have something called a less than or equal to, or a greater than or equal to, okay?
Yeah.
So this sign right here, it can be like this, right? So this sign can be a less than or equal to, or I mean a greater than or equal to, and this sign can be a less than or equal to. So you understand how I put a line underneath it?
Yeah.
So that means or equal to, pretty much. So what if we have 2 is less than or equal to 1, right? This could be, this is, wait, no. Hold on. We could do 2 is less than or equal to 4, right? So this would be correct because 2 is less than 4. But what would also be correct is 2 is less than or equal to 2. Why? Because I'm adding the equal to sign. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So, what if I have 3 is less
Listen,
than or
do it,
equal
do
to?
it. Do next.
What could be an answer to this? 3 is less than or equal to what?
3 is,
Alva?
Charu, listen. Listen, do it.
3 is less than
Write it. 2.
Give me 2 answers.
Small letter.
3 is less than what? Less than or equal to what?
3 is less than 4.
The what is
Yeah.
this? 3 is less
Correct.
than and equal to?
So 4 is one answer, correct? And then there's another answer. Remember, we have the or equal to sign. So what could the other one be?
4.
3.
Think right
Next
here.
is 3.
2.
No. Remember, 2 is less than or equal to 2 or equal to. 3
So 3
is
is
less than or
less
equal
than
to.
equal to?
Think just
3
as or
is
equal
equal
to.
to?
4.
Think
No,
about that.
3 is equal to? 3 is equal to?
Alva,
What
think
number?
about it. So 3 can be equal to what?
What you have to say? 3 is
3.
equal to?
Uncle Giant.
3 is equal to?
3.
Say loudly.
3.
So this can be correct. Do you understand what we did here, Alva?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna go over some more problems. We'll have, let's say,
You have to write small.
2 is
Right.
greater than. Oh, 2 is greater than what, Alva or Sarvesh?
Sarvesh, look, 2
What
is
the
greater
answer?
than what, right? 2 is greater than 2 is greater than
3.
Yes, correct. You know, and it can also be like 4, or 5 or whatever,
so
right?
you
It could
have
be
to write
like
greater
100.
than 2. What is greater than 2? Any number you can write. Any
It could
what
be
is
any number greater than 2. So yeah. So Sarvesh, give me a number that's greater than 2, other than 3.
So you have to tell which number is greater than 2. Yeah. Greater than 2.
So yeah,
Any
10.
say few numbers
7.
greater than 2. Greater than 2 is? What is greater than 2?
4.
Yep, there can be 4. It can be any number that's greater than 2, as long as it isn't less than 2 or equal to 2. But what if we have 2 is less than or equal to 2? Or wait, hold on. Oh, someone wants to join. Sujata.
So what is 2 is equal to? Sarvesh, 2 is equal to?
7.
No, 2 is equal
Okay.
to?
10.
Okay, so
No,
2.
you have to tell.
4.
Yeah, so think what 2 is equal to.
2 equals 2.
Yeah, correct. So yeah, so 2 is equal to 2. Now I'm gonna give you guys some problems. Sujata, are you there? Were you in our old classes or? It's okay.
Huh?
All right.
You are asking,
Okay, so we're gonna be going
you are
over some
asking
problems.
me? You are asking me? I don't know.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, we'll have some problems. So in these problems, I'm gonna give you. Wait, hold on. Actually, I'll do it differently. Okay. So number 1, we're gonna have 4 is greater than. Actually, yeah, 4 is greater than what? Okay, so this underline right here, this just means what number? So this could be
4 is
3.
greater than 3.
Yeah, correct. So you can, okay, that's correct. So I'm gonna give you guys some problems. You guys do it. Don't say the answer until I call on you. So we're gonna go 6 is less than what? And then we're also gonna
No.
do
6
3
is
is greater
less than what? You have to write
than-
it. Right. 6.
6.
6, right. 6. Less than. Less than. Less than. Yes, what in a number, write any number. Okay, good. Next, 3 is greater than equal to?
Okay, so these are your problems right here, Alva or Sarvesh. If you have any problems,
2 is
just
greater
let
than?
me know.
2 is greater than? Greater. Okay.
Okay.
And
Give me 2 answers for each one. 2 answers for 1, 2, and 3 and 4.
yes, but we can answer now. Savish, can I ask? Can I answer
Can you answer?
loudly? Can I
Can I
answer?
answer?
Yes. Okay. So what'd you get for number 1, Sarvesh? 6 is less than what?
7.
6 is less
7.
than what?
3.
Or
6
what
is
if you
less
put
than?
3?
6 is
6 is less than?
7.
7.
7. Correct. What else could it be? It could be 7. It could be anything else. What would it be?
What else? Any other number?
7.
And any other number?
9.
Very good.
9. Correct.
5.
6
Okay,
is less.
so number 2,
Number
3
2.
is greater than or equal to what? I need 2 answers here.
3 is greater than equal to?
6.
3 is greater than and equal to? Right here. 3 small, small, small. 3 is greater than, 3 is greater than, right? Small. 3 is greater than,
Alva, do you know what the answer is to number 2?
greater than, greater. 3 is greater. You have to,
Big bang.
greater than equal to what? What number? You have to tell what number. What number? 3 is greater
Alright,
than
so
equal
Alva,
to?
what would number 2 be?
Correct.
4? No, 4 would not be correct.
No?
Because
Sarvesh,
3 is greater than something.
3 is greater than or equal to?
3.
4 is, oh, actually,
3.
no,
Say
no, no,
loudly.
no. Yeah, so 3 is greater than or equal to what? It would be 3. That is correct, Sarvesh, because there's an equal to sign. And then what is the second solution?
After that, 3 is greater than,
3.
and any other number? 3 is greater than,
3 is good. 3.
and
3.
3 is greater than,
2.
greater.
Yep, 2.
3,
Equal.
yes.
That is correct. So 3 and 2 are your 2 answers. Okay, so for number 3, what would 2 answers would be here?
There's
2 is greater than,
3.
2.
2 is
No,
greater
it
than,
would be 3 is greater than
2.
2.
Couple
So,
days.
yes.
so
I'm
it would
saying
have
this
to be,
is
this
bigger
number would have
You
to be
have to
less
put
than
here
2.
2.
2, you have 2.
So
2 is bigger number. So you have to hear what number you have to put.
2.
This is big. So what number you have to put?
Big 2.
This is big. So
Small 2.
very good. What smaller than 2? What is smaller than 2? What number is smaller than 2?
Big 2.
Smaller than 2
Small
is
2 is
uh,
1.
very good.
good. So it'd be 1.
Awesome.
Okay, so now for this last question, we have 4. Number 4, 7 is greater than, or I mean less than or equal to what number?
8.
I want 2 answers.
8.
8, correct. So 8 is 1 answer. And what would be another
7?
answer?
7 is greater than equal to.
So
7 is less than equal to.
7.
7 is less. Very good.
Yeah. So then this other answer, hold on. Yeah, this other answer would be 7. Yeah, 7. All right. Does everyone understand like why we're why we're doing 2 answers here?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. So here I'm gonna this is pretty much our lesson, but I'll give you guys some more practice problems just because we have like 5-6 minutes left. So here we'll do number 1. We'll do so this time I want you guys to put in the sign. Okay, so we're gonna have 8 is blank to what? 7. 2 we'll do 4 is blank to 8. Then 3 we're gonna do 3 is blank to 3. Or 5. Okay. And then we'll also do 4. We'll do 8 is blank to 10. Okay. So for number 3, what I want you guys to do here, I'll give you guys a little hint. So it's something like less than or greater than or equal to. So that's your little hint there. You guys can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know when you guys are done, and yeah. These will be our last problems for today.
Sarvesh, it's the next question. Sarvesh, you have to write it. You have to do by yourself.
Okay, I'm taking a picture of our attendance. Okay.
That's you.
Just let me know when you guys are done. There's 4 minutes left in today's meeting. If you guys need any help, just let me know.
You want tissue? Take tissue. Take tissue and write it. Put it here.
So 8 is greater than 7. Number
Karu, it's time up. You have to do it later. You can put the paper tissue
Okay,
here.
so I'll
Take
go
the
over the
pencil.
answers. So number 1, 8
Take
is
the
greater
pencil.
than
Take
7.
the pencil and do it.
Okay, and then number 2, 4 is less than 8. Just let me know if you have any problems, but I'm just gonna say the right answer. Okay, so this number 3, we're gonna have 3 is less than or equal to 3
Right.
or 5, and then number 4, 8 is less than 10. Did everyone get these answers?
Right.
yeah.
To make the white sound.
Okay.
I'm asking
Good
you
job.
to do it.
Don't
Okay,
say
so
it. Mommy, don't say it.
No, it's time to do math. We have to do it.
okay, so
Don't
Sarvesh, do you need a little bit more time or?
Sarvesh, say, I need more.
I need more time.
Okay, do it slowly.
Okay.
The first sum is 8 is,
Don't make the sound.
okay, right?
Mommy, don't make the sound.
Okay, I'm helping you. Do you want help or you can do by yourself?
Don't make the silly.
Okay,
Don't make the sound.
okay. Everyone is waiting for you.
It's okay, I can go over the answers if you guys would like.
8 is 8. 8 is dash 7. Which is greater, which is smaller?
Aku quiet. 8.
8 is? Good. The next is 4 and 8. What sign will come? Awesome. So 4 is?
8.
4 is? You have to say it. 4 is?
Force.
4 is, you have to say it.
4 is.
Uh,
4 is 8.
4 is?
9.
4 is?
11.
4 is?
Less.
Lesser than?
Okay.
8.
Very good. And third one is 3 is? 3. 3 means what? 3 is? You have to say the
Least.
uh,
Small.
and
Equal to.
okay, awesome. And
Good.
the fourth one is 8 is, which is smaller, which is bigger. You have to say it.
10 is bigger.
You say 8 is
8 is bigger.
8 or
10 is bigger.
so make a sentence. 10,
That 10 is bigger.
8 is
8 is bigger.
no 8.
8 is.
10
10 is
bigger. Make a sentence. 10 is bigger than
8.
very good.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. So that will
Thank
do
you.
it for today's
Thank you.
meeting. Thank you
Thank you.
everyone for joining. I hope you guys had a good time. Bye. Bye everyone. I'll see you
Thank you.
guys next week,
so much.
same time.
Thank you, Anna.
Take it.
Okay. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, Shua.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.